Okay, you guys, it's time to plan for the first week of April, which is next week. And I have to show you guys something though, because I forgot I had those stickers over here and I had in my head these were for the week, but then I realized, no, those are my date covers. So I went back over my month here and I did add date covers here. These are the boxes that are not actually part of the month. And then the little decorative ones I added for my dad's birthday and Easter Sunday. So I did tweak that just a tad. So yeah, that was, I don't know what I was thinking. Now what I may do is use these also as some kind of decorative element. I don't know, over here. I have 2 sets of date covers for the week. And I think I'm going to go with the dark ones. I don't know, just because they're pretty. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll save those for another week. I still have, of course, my little labels here and here. So let me first, tweezers. Okay, well, I just realized I have not done my schedule to my iPad, so that's not going to be helpful for you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. So give me a second, I'll do that. Okay, I'm back. I mean, just so you know, I use my phone to record, which is also where my, you know, my calendar is. And so I have to like screenshot it and send it over to my iPad so I can look at my calendar when I'm making my darn plan here. Yeah, and about half the time I start working with this, I start sitting down and start pulling out my stickers and I get so excited. And then I realize, oh shoot, I've started recording and I still don't know what I'm doing next week. I mean, I kind of have a general sense of things. Obviously, I just did the monthly one a second ago, but I also include work stuff on the weekly. So, and I will say this planner does not have like the schedule in a sense of like there's no time noted here. So it becomes a little less structured in a way. That might be another reason I'm struggling with this layout, because it's like I can't tell by looking like what's my day look like. Like, do I have stuff in the afternoon available or not? I mean, all I can see is like stickers that says you have meetings. So I don't know. All right, so we're gonna take and put our days up here. I think I told you guys I was doing this liver detox and I'm like so wanting some caffeine. But on the other hand, I had a horrible caffeine withdrawal headache. So I go, Christine, you definitely have to take just a breather. And I don't know, caffeine's one of those things. It's not really bad for you. But on the other hand, if you get too much of it, it's like, no, it's not that good either. Nothing in excess is good for our bodies. Thursday. Friday. The guys are supposed to work on the chicken coop next weekend. Like I said, I think I said in my last video, they were going to do it this weekend, and my daughter and I were going to do pottery, and then I guess I didn't realize it, and he must have, I don't know, she made the comment last night, she goes, tomorrow we'll be married 6 months, and I was like, oh wow, I cannot even believe. It's funny how time passes, and yet seems slow at the same time. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Now, I don't have it this week. I guess I could do it up here. I've done that. I don't know why the little flag's on there. I like this color though, this little coral color. This is one of my favorite little colors here. So what I do with these little date things after I'm done is I'll save them. I have a whole bunch of these because I feel like if I ever need extra dates or something, I can come now. Granted, obviously a given week is missing, but it's fine. All right, alrighty. So we'll set that aside. And I guess let me get my calendar on here first. So I have a little meeting on Monday at 9:30. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I have been, I canceled this meeting with this guy about half the time. It's a gentleman he's one of my teammates out of India. And he's a nice enough man, but I don't have much in common with him. And so I'm like, I don't have to talk to you all the time. Not once a week for sure. Okay. We have a 7 a.m. meeting Tuesday. That's to account for those folks across the pond there that they typically go into the office, I guess, that day. How do I want to do this, y'all? I guess I'll do it here. I did use like appointments along the top last time. That did look kind of cute. Then I have another meeting. This is one I have to like participate in. I shouldn't have put my icons away, you guys. Because this is an actual meeting where I have to pay attention. If you work at all, you know there's meetings that you got to pay attention, and then there's meetings that you don't. And that's true for anything. Okay, we'll do that. And then I have a 10 a.m. that's some kind of training. And then we have a 12 p.m. that I think is also some kind of, I don't think I'm really like doing anything. And then my hair appointment. So let's do this. I'm thinking about using, what did I see? I had, oh, here they are. This is kind of an evening demarcation thing to me. So I'm gonna do this. Technically it's not evening, but it's just after work, I guess is the point. So we're gonna do our hair appointment here. If I start at 7 a.m., I do not feel any guilt about getting my hair done at 3:30 rather. No, it's at 3. I always put my calendar off a little bit early so I don't get stuck in a call or something when I need to do. The hair place is like literally 3 minutes from my house, so it's not a big deal, but. All right. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 meetings on Wednesday. You guys. And I'm going to do this, and you watch, something will get canceled. That's okay. Then we'll do another meeting here. Another meeting here. Oh, I should have done different color. I like to do them every other color. This one is a little bit, I'm kind of all over the place with these lines. That is crooked. Oh, well. And then, oh, what I want with this gentleman here. Okay. Then on Thursday, we have a 7:30 a.m. Yes, we do. That's another little staff meeting. So we'll put another, let's see. I like the little staff meeting stickers. I may have to get more of these. Just use black on this one. Staff meeting. Oh, and then I have skip level on that day. And then I have a doctor visit. So we'll do another little dotted line. I was kind of sad. I got invited to an event as a professional event, but it was literally started around the same time as my doctor's appointment. And I was like, well, shoot. To be fair, the topic was kind of, kind of tangentially related. So I can't really claim I was missing a lot. Okay, I got to get my little doctor deal. I like the little doctor deals. They're so cute. All right. And that is that. Now what I want to do is use these little, I don't know about these little dots. I like these little dots. I can put those on here. Let's see. There's plenty. Are they separate? Oh, they're not. Interesting. Okay. I'm not going to say I hate that. So you just have to like cut the one little dot separate. Okay, that's cute though. I kind of like this. I just have to cut the little piece here. Don't know yet what I'm gonna do any given day. I need to still get that stuff figured out, y'all. I do need to be researching. My daughter did win her, I've mentioned before that we were going to court and stuff. My daughter did win her lawsuit. And so now I have to figure out, I was doing research. Okay, that's the easy part. Now the hard part is getting your actual money. I may end up having to help her find I hate to do this because it's small claims, but it is not a small amount of money really, but at the same time, I don't want to navigate it wrong and not give her the chance to get her money. So, okay, that's cute. I'm not going to do it on Saturday and Sunday at this point because I don't have a clue what we're doing. I need to put some of my Clean Mama stuff on here too. Okay, now for the decorative part, right? And what I had in my head was to use these pieces and like tear them, because I probably will not be using them again, because they're kind of cute. I do have some little bunnies. I mean, it's not Easter yet, but I could find a quote. I could find a little quote in my wrong stuff. Where did I see that? Oh, here it is. Like, this is cute. Impossible is just an option. Oh, interesting. I was going to read that as it was not an option, but okay. Oh, shoot, you guys. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I don't hate that. How pretty is that? Okay, okay. Let's see. Are we any other pretty things? I wanted to put the bunny, but maybe that's not good for this week. Maybe I'll do it another week. That's Christmas. I don't want to get into that. That's like seasonal stuff. That's kind of summery. This is kind of the springtime. See, I could do something here because this is, why did I do that? That's not even, oh, I am using that day. What am I saying? But like, oh, little monarch butterflies are coming. But I don't have anything in the afternoon. So what if I do like the little girls? Oh, that's pretty. Their feet. Like, this is cute with her glasses and stuff. That's kind of springtime-ish. Let's do that. Kind of, you know, it's coming off of here. I don't know. Yeah, I laid that crooked. Of course I did. That's cute. Okay. And then we can just do like a butterfly maybe. How's that? It's a little on the dark side. Maybe I'll do a little flower. Because I don't have, these are not dark. Well, I got the black here. Maybe I'll go with my first instinct and use the butterfly. And then we could do something over here. What about... I like the little hat. I had it in my head Easter was a lot earlier this year for some reason. That's cute. Okay. I'm not hating that. Let's add one flower to Saturday because there's not a lot going on there. I don't know what we're going to do that Saturday. Probably housework or something. Oh, shoot. Got off. Dadgummit. Can I get that up without tearing it up? Let's hold our breath. Oh, no. I tore that one. Okay. Well, you're going to stay there and Mr. Flower's going to get trimmed. You know what? That's okay. Mr. Flower is getting trimmed. That's okay. I like it when they go off to the side. It's kind of... like, gives it dimension. All right, you guys. I'll come in and write the meetings in here. There's no sense in y'all watching me do that. That's kind of goofy. I don't know that I need any other reason for these. Friday has nothing going on. But even if I do that, I'll do it like this, or not so square on the end. Oh, that's cute though. I don't know how to use these pieces here yet, y'all. I guess that could be food. I should put dinner on there. That's what I should do. All right, I'm gonna hang on to that. And I think I'm going to come back in and put my meals here. I don't have the plan yet, though. I don't usually do the meal plan until we do grocery list, which is through the weekend. So I will do that after the fact. And I may come in and just combine some of these to one sheet. I just find it easier to store. Actually, I tend to, if I get down to this little bit, I tend to put them in my little sticker book so I don't have 1,000 sheets of this. So we'll see. Okay, you guys, there I am. Oh, I know what else I got that I wanted to try out. I got these spotlight stickers. That's not going to be helpful here, though. I was thinking I could use that, but I was thinking I would highlight the week, but that doesn't make sense with the spotlight sticker. So there we go. All right. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. Wish me luck, and we will see you next time. Bye.